That's the sound of the man working on the chain gang. I got one more for you. Cupid, draw back your bow. I remember that one. And let your arrow go straight to my lover's heart for me. Come on, fellas. Oh, yeah. Darling, darling, stand by me. Oh, stand by me.
Are they good?
Aren't they?
Oh, for me, it's like an Irish scene.
Isn't it? Oh man, I love them. We brought them in for the first time, you know, just to add a little something. And now Elvis is coming at noon, so they play behind Elvis. You're gonna see an Elvis impersonator at noon. Is your wife here?
Yeah.
She'll get a scarf. If she gets in line, you'll give her a scarf.
I couldn't have, you know, I wanted